Hi, I'm Michelle from Kwikset. Today I'm going to walk you through just how simple it is to install Kwikset's new Downtown and Uptown Low Profile Deadbolts. The primary tool you need to install the Uptown and Downtown Deadbolt is a screwdriver. If you are installing a drive-in latch, you may need a wood block and hammer as well. The Uptown and Downtown Deadbolts will fit most standard doors. Let's start with the latch. The curved portion should be at the bottom of the latch. This is very important, so make sure the curved portion stays at the bottom as you go through the installation process. Let's extend the latch bolt. Insert a screwdriver into the D-shaped hole in the center of the latch and rotate counterclockwise until the bolt is fully extended. Next, let's check the back set. The back set is the distance from the center of the hole to the edge of the door. Align your latch in front of the hole so that the case is flush with the door edge. Then, check to see if the D-shaped hole is centered in the door hole. In this case, it is centered, so the latch will fit into the door. Some doors have longer back sets. If your door has a longer back set, you can extend the latch by holding the back of the latch stationary and rotating the front. The latch is now longer, and it will fit in your door. Multiple latch face options are available for your Uptown and Downtown deadbolts: round corner, square corner, and drive-in. Choose the one that best fits your door. This door has a chiseled edge with round corners, so I will install a round corner faceplate on the latch. First, install the backplate. There are two holes in the backplate that need to align with the two posts on the latch. Slide the backplate over the latch bolt and push until it snaps into place. Next, put the latch in the door. Remember, the curved portion should be on the bottom of the latch. Then, slide the faceplate over the latch bolt and secure with supplied screws. Some doors have edges that are not chiseled, like this one. For doors like this, you will need to use a drive-in collar on your latch instead of a rectangular face. First, retract the latch bolt by inserting a screwdriver into the D-shaped hole. Rotate clockwise until the bolt is fully retracted. Next, install the drive-in collar. Align the two holes of the collar with the two posts on the latch and push until it snaps into place. Let's install the drive-in latch. Remember, the curved portion is on the bottom. Use a wood block and hammer to carefully drive the latch into position. Once the latch is installed, extend the bolt again. Place a screwdriver into the D-shaped hole and rotate counterclockwise. Uptown and Downtown deadbolts come with two sets of mounting screws. Measure the thickness of your door to determine which mounting screws you will need to install the deadbolt. It's time to install the interior portion of the deadbolt. Make sure the turn piece is vertical. Also, make sure the mounting plate is installed. If it isn't, install it now. Push the torque blade through the D-shaped hole in the center of the latch. Next, let's install the exterior portion of the deadbolt. See the hole below the latch? This is where we'll insert the exterior torque blade. Make sure the curve of the exterior torque blade is pointing up. Hold the interior portion in place and install the exterior. Now it's time to secure the deadbolt to the door using the mounting screws that correspond to your door's thickness. For Downtown models, make sure your deadbolt is parallel to the edge of the door. Here's a troubleshooting tip. If you're having a hard time aligning the mounting screws, check to see if the latch was installed correctly. Remember, the curved portion of the latch should be at the bottom. If you see it on top as shown here, remove and reinstall the latch. Next, let's install the strike on the door frame. First, make sure the strike hole is at least 1 inch or 25 millimeters deep. Place the strike into the chiseled pocket and secure with 2 long screws and 2 short screws. Make sure you install the longer screws closest to the door jamb. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoy your new Downtown or Uptown Low Profile Deadbolt by Kwikset.